What's going on, everybody? It is Sunday, May 26th, something like that. All the mowing and the throwing her down, and didn't get to the weeding in the front in the garden, or the flower bed, whatever. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'm getting what I need to get. So I got my shovel, I got my rake. Yeah, so I'm getting the old mulch out, which there's really hardly any mulch left in there from last season. I took it out, it was old and just never got any more. But this time around, I think we're gonna go get some today. I think we're gonna go with black mulch. Probably my wife is gonna get some flowers and some perennials and whatnot, but I thought I'd show you guys kind of like a before and after of what's happening here. So hang tight and you'll see. So yep, and I had to weed all of that. It's bad in here, especially right up in here. I think that's because of my mowing. I'm blowing everything, and so there's still a little bit of mulch in here. Gotta get that out. Flowers are looking good though. This thing's coming back to life little by little. Thought I killed it. Told you guys that. I need to trim these trees right up in here. And that one's looking really good. This one's looking really good. Better than it did last year, like amazingly, a lot better. Oh, this one doesn't have much. This one has more of the mulch than anything in it. But it shouldn't take me too long. I'll try to keep you guys with me so you guys can see what's going on. And we got these we need to put somewhere. We got 6 of these. Yeah, they're gonna look nice. So water twice a week, and it's not looking so good right here, is it? But the others are, because probably they need to be planted. Yeah, need to be planted. But that is what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm trying to give you a little before and after. This is without the mulch. Look at the grass. It's looking really good. I just mowed yesterday. It looks really good and it looks really thick until you go over here under the tree where there's lots of shade and it's really thin. But I'm hoping with my stuff that I'm going to be doing this season, it's going to be better. So there you go, before and after. What is it going to look like with the black mulch? What's it going to look like after I clear it out? So hang tight. Hey, how you doing? I am back. Just wanted to show you some results of the garden bed that I started at 10 o'clock. Well, it's done. All the grass is gone, all of it, and raked up, took out every little piece of mulch, or tried to anyway, and got that out of here. The beds look 10 times better than they did before, and I love it. But it looks great. In the process now of getting everything back together. I gotta go dump that, but just a little short thing. But yeah, a little video to show you what I did today. Started at I don't know, 9:45, 10 o'clock. Had to take a little break, go watch the little baby for a minute. And I came back out here for another 30 minutes before we went to the big box store to get some more plants and flowers, as you can see. Now, it's not going to stay like this because that is a lot in one place. We're taking out that one and that one and that one. And this one right here, horrible, taking it out. So we're replacing this with that. And the same thing over here, and there are azaleas. And the azaleas there. These, what are these? Oleander. These are oleanders, and the reason they look like crap right now is because I've had them in the shade for so long, and they require full sun. So I'm gonna bring them back to life, guys. Don't worry. And these are just so beautiful. They look great. I'm taking that one out, replacing it with that azalea. And then we got some, what are these called? Not azaleas, but hydrangeas. Got some hydrangeas today. We're gonna plant those. Not today. We're not gonna do that today. But we're taking that green bush out and that green bush out, and those hydrangeas are gonna go in its place. Same thing over here. We're taking this one out and that one out, and it's going to be an empty space along with that one and that one back there. And we're going to put these three, I don't know what those are, those three right in between the two bushes right there, right by the window. And actually, I do know what we're going to place right here, and that is going to be these over here. These yellow ones. That's right. I don't know the name of those, but those are it. We're gonna put those over there. That's the plan right now anyway. So we'll see if that works out. But cleaned out the beds, they look real good. Just need some mulch. The reason we didn't get any mulch is because they weren't on sale, and I knew they weren't on sale, but we just can we can do it another time. But the yard's looking pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. It's, right over here you can see those weeds poking out, and I think that pre-emergent or whatever is turning it. You can see the different colorations in the grass. I don't know if you can see that or not, but those are the weeds. Those are the weeds, and hopefully they'll be gone soon. All right, guys. I appreciate you sticking around, seeing everything, and I'm out of here. See that domination line? Ooh, boy, that domination line. I know. They don't have like, what in the hell and hillbilly country town is this? But, yeah, that's the domination line right there, folks. I tell you what, it's not much, but and I know they don't do a whole bunch with theirs, but what's going on, everybody? I think I just realized something, is that it is annoying as all get out. Holding this phone and trying to record because it makes so much noise. And I'm doing a test right now to see what's going on, so I'm sorry ahead of time for all that crap. But I'm about to put everything up and dump all that soil over there, and probably just put that soil over there in a better place, because I think I'm done for the day. I'm exhausted. There's really not much else to do. I'd like to get out here and mow again, but not till frickin' Tuesday, man. So, none of that, but I'm just doing a test. See ya.